Today we're jumping into a classic herb that has been hyped for centuries. That is raspberry leaf. Yes, that same plant that gives you those juicy berries has been heavily leaned on by herbalists for everything from women's health to general wellness. Hey, I'm Say. I'm the herbalist behind Blue Radical Apothecary, and if you're a beginner herbalist, raspberry leaf is perfect for you. So let's talk history, how to use it, what to expect, and of course, how long it actually takes for you to see those results. Raspberry tea isn't just some kind of TikTok trend. People have been sipping on this for centuries. In traditional herbalism, raspberry leaf was considered a uterine tonic, meaning it was thought to help tone and support the muscles of the uterus. Indigenous communities across North America used raspberry leaf tea for everything from easing childbirth to soothing digestive issues. And in European folk medicine, it was given to women in late pregnancy and even postpartum recovery. Raspberry leaf has a long resume. It's been the herbal BFF for women across different cultures, but it's not just for reproductive health. Let's break down what raspberry leaf can actually do for you. First, we have reproductive support. It's most famous for being a pregnancy tea. Herbalists often suggest it in the second or third trimester because it's thought to gently tone the uterine muscles. Some people also use it to ease PMS cramps and heavy periods. Think of it as offering a little structural support to your cycle. Second, it's high in minerals. Raspberry leaf is naturally high in calcium, magnesium, and iron. That makes it a great everyday nutritive tea, especially if you're feeling run down or need extra nourishment. Third, it's great for digestion. Traditionally, it was also used for diarrhea or loose stools because of its astringent properties. It helps tones tissues and tighten things up. Fourth, it's a great tonic. Even if you're not pregnant or dealing with cycles, raspberry leaf can still be your go-to as a daily nourishing tea, especially if you want a gentle mineral-rich drink instead of just plain water. Here are some practical ways to use raspberry leaf. Tea or infusion. The most common way is to make it as a tea. You can do a quick steep of 1 tablespoon of dried leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Easy. You can do an overnight infusion. If you want a serious mineral boost, let it sit overnight in a jar. Strain it in the morning and you've got a dark, earthy tea packed with nutrients. Use it in a blend. Raspberry leaf plays well with others. Mix it with mint if you want a lighter flavor or nettle for an even stronger mineral-rich combo. One of the more popular questions with herbal remedies is how long does it take to actually work? I might say this a lot, but herbs are not like Tylenol or any other over-the-counter medicine. Drinking 1 cup of raspberry leaf tea is not going to make your cramps magically disappear or fix your entire life. If you're using it for general nutrition or for minerals, you'll start feeling a difference after about 2 to 3 weeks. Think more energy, better hydration, and less depleted. For PMS or cycle support, you're going to want to drink it at least for 2 to 3 cycles before you notice any real results. If you're pregnant, many midwives recommend drinking this in your second trimester to make sure that your body gets the full benefits before labor. So the key is consistency with all herbs in general. But raspberry leaf does work slowly and steadily. When raspberry leaf is used consistently, people often report less intense cramps, more regular cycles, feeling nourished and less drained, and for pregnant folks, potentially smoother labor. Though results vary, every body is different. And even if you're not pregnant or dealing with cramps, you're still getting a solid mineral-rich tea that supports your overall health. If you're starting with raspberry leaf, here's what I suggest. Start small, try 1 cup a day for a week and see how you feel. Mix it up. If you don't like the earthy taste, blend it with peppermint or lemon balm. And also stay consistent. Remember, it's a long game. Think weeks and months and not hours. So that's raspberry leaf in a nutshell. A super beginner-friendly herb with loads of history, a lot of uses and results that build over time. And always remember with herbalism to trust the process. If you like this video and you want to dive a little bit deeper into more herbs, check out this video right here, and I'll see you there. Bye!